In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not opening. If Canva is stuck on a blank screen, keeps loading forever, or crashes before your workspace opens, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a temporary browser issue, a graphics setting conflict, or a simple connection problem that you can fix in just a few minutes. We'll go through the process carefully so you can get back to editing without unnecessary stress. The first thing you should do is check whether the issue is actually coming from Canva's side. Open a new browser tab and go to status.canva.com. Once the page loads, look for the sections related to site performance and login services. If you see that Canva is experiencing an outage or scheduled maintenance, then the problem is not on your computer, and the best option is to wait until the service is restored. But if everything shows as operational, that means the problem is most likely local and you can move on to the next fix. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective ways to solve Canva loading problems because outdated site data can interfere with how the platform opens. In your browser, click the menu in the top right corner and open the option for clearing browsing data. Set the time range to all time, then select cookies and site data along with cached images and files. After that, clear the data completely. This removes old files that may be blocking Canva from loading properly. After that, check your browser's hardware acceleration setting. Go into your browser settings and look for the System or Advanced section. Find the option called Hardware Acceleration or use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it's turned off, switch it on. This can help Canva load more smoothly by allowing your browser to use your computer's graphics hardware for visual tasks instead of relying only on the processor. If Canva still won't open, close any unnecessary browser tabs running in the background. Too many open tabs, especially heavy websites like streaming platforms or social media pages, can use up memory and make Canva struggle to launch. Closing them frees up resources and gives Canva a better chance to load correctly. Finally, return to the Canva tab and do a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces the browser to pull a fresh version of the page instead of using older stored data. Then sign back in, open a recent design, and make a small change on the canvas to confirm everything is working and saving correctly.